Hi, welcome to Avard Academy, and in this video we are going to solve another question from 2017 Mathematics Paper 1 GCE. So if you're new to this channel, remember to support us by liking, sharing, as well as subscribing. So without wasting much of the time, this is a calculus which came in 2017 GCE Mathematics Paper 1. So let us see how you can be able to approach this question. And by the way, this is a calculus and differentiation. Okay, remember there is two kinds. There is a differentiation as well as integration. Okay, and this is a differentiation that we are going to look at. Okay, so let us see how we can go about that. So what you can see is the first question says, or rather the question says, find the derivative of y equals to 2x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1 with respect to x, because that is what is changing. Okay. Now, when you look at this one, what you're supposed to do is, we know that the formula, or rather the symbol, because we have the y as a subject, the formula, so it's going to be y. Okay, let us just first copy that. Y equals to 2x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 1. Now, what you need to understand is the differentiation. Okay, when they say derivative, okay, when they say derivative, all they are just saying is that differentiate. Okay, find the differential of this function. So from there, we're going to say dy, this y, over dx equals. Now, the moment you just say dy dx, you start now changing the powers and manipulating all that. So from there, what you need to understand when it comes to differentiation is that this power, okay, is going to multiply with the coefficient of this x. So we are going to say 2 multiplied by 3, okay? And then this power 3, you subtract 1, so it's going to be x to the power 2, okay? Minus, and then we're going to say 2 to this power 2 multiplied by this coefficient 2, it's just going to be, let's just say 2 times 2, and then x, okay? Now this power, we subtract 1, so it just remaining power 1. So there is no need for you to show that. Okay. And then this one, when you look at this one, we can't see any power, so it has a power of 1. Okay. So we are saying 1, this power 1 multiplied by 3, you just get 3. Okay. It's like we are saying that 3 multiplied by 1, and then this power subtract 1. So what's going to be is 3, this times this is this, x. Now the power 1 minus 1, 0. Now anything to the power 0 is 1. So we're just going to remain 3. So this one is going to be minus, okay, minus 3. Okay. Now, what you need to understand is when you have something like a number without any variable, without any letter, okay? So it's like we're saying this one, assuming that it has got the x, then power 0, okay? Because anything to the power 0 is 1, okay? This is going to be 1 times 1 equals to 1. Okay, now you have to understand that the derivative of a constant number, okay, the derivative of the constant number is always equal to 0, okay? The derivative of the constant number is always equal to 0, and this is the reason why that equals 0. So if you have, okay, if you have 1, so we are saying that here, if you have 1, we just assume to say there is a variable, and that is raised to the power, that is raised to the power 0, okay? Because you understand that if we say anything to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times x, so 1 times x to the power 0, okay? And this is going to be 1 times 1, which is just 1, okay? Hope we are getting that. Now, because when it becomes like that, what you do is this to the this power times this is 0 multiplied by, okay, multiplied by, so you're saying multiplied by this 0 times 1 is 0 multiplied by this x. Now the power reduces by 1, so you say 0 minus 1. So this is going to be, because this is 0, and whatever you have, 0 multiplied by x to the power negative 1, okay? And this, everything just becomes 0. So you can see that when you are dealing with a constant derivative, okay, it is always going to be equal to 0, and that is just how you prove that, okay? So now let us finish our work. So now this is just going to be plus 0, okay? So from there now, dy, okay, over dx will be equal to this times that, 6 to the power, 6x to the power 2 minus this times this, okay? We're going to have 4x minus this, okay? And this is your final answer, okay? That is your final answer, okay? So that's how you can go about differentiating this problem, or rather this differential problem. So this question requires that we understand how to go about differentiation. So if you want to learn much more of this, you can just WhatsApp me. We also provide online tuitions. So if you just want to have a live session with me where math is concerned, so you can just WhatsApp me on the following number, which is 0964 460218, so that we can get more interaction on the WhatsApp as well as on the other online platform. So thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like, as well as share this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video.